What were you doing before you started using Review Harvest? What was your process of getting reviews?
You know how many reviews we received in the last 2 weeks?
I do know. I know that one location has gotten 49 new and 16 updated, and the other location, it's a little bit smaller location, but I think they've gotten like 20, right?
The other one, we've gotten
Okay.
14 new ones and 7 updated ones. If I could tell you, that's like crazy. How
Yeah.
did we do it before? We begged and we pleaded, and you see that our customers love
Yeah.
us, are happy with us. We have very low customer attrition, right? Customer churn.
Yeah.
We get referrals all the time from existing customers. We have customers, when they leave us, they often come back, you know.
Yeah.
So it's not that we don't offer a good service and that they don't care about us, but if we clean
Mm.
for you every week, we send out a we call it a quality card or a scorecard after
Oh.
every visit, and we ask for a review every visit. When we communicate with our customers a lot by text as well as
Mhm.
email and phone. And if somebody says something nice to us, we'll say, "Hey, that's so awesome. Would you mind posting this?" And we send the link. We know we can't bribe our customers to leave reviews, but we do let them know that it's important to us.
Yeah.
And a lot of times people tell us that they'll give us, of course we'll give you a review. And then they don't. And then all of a sudden, I mean, we had I think 223 reviews in our bigger office, and you
Mhm.
just added 49. I mean, that's like 20, almost 25%. It's more than 20%.
Yeah. Yeah. No, for sure. What's been the favorite part of Review Harvest so far?
I mean, from us, it's so automated, right? And I have to tell you, I am not a techie person. I
Mhm.
appreciate and love technology,
Yeah.
but I don't even know how to turn on my television. I watch my television on my phone. So the fact that I got on the phone with you, and I think 5 minutes later, everything was automated. We had two different companies, right? I have two different accounts for my two different offices. They were both connected. So now when my customer gets cleaned the first time, you can send out, and then you have a whole follow up, and I can go onto the dashboard and see it all. I'm really impressed. I tell you, my husband said this review harvest is lightning in a bottle.
Well, we're gonna actually clip that part so everybody knows that. I appreciate it. Well, that's awesome. We appreciate the kind words, and